If you've been flying drones for a while, or even just thinking about jumping into the drone world, you probably know the name DJI. They've built a solid rep for making some of the most reliable consumer drones out there. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or a full-on cinematographer, DJI usually has something in their lineup for you. Now, last year they dropped their smallest and most affordable drone, the DJI Neo. Cool idea, right? Super compact, lightweight, shoots 4K. Sounds great on paper, but if you've flown it, you know it feels, well, kind of like a toy. The video quality wasn't the best, and flight performance left a lot to be desired. But now, there are some leaks and rumors about the DJI Neo 2, and it looks like it might be getting a serious upgrade. Let's go over what's been surfacing and what we might expect. First off, one of the biggest complaints with the original Neo was how noisy it is. Like seriously, it's louder than some of DJI's bigger drones like the Flip or even the Mini 4 Pro. Not ideal when you're trying to stay discreet or just enjoy a peaceful flight. Rumors are saying the Neo 2 might be getting a complete design overhaul, possibly moving to a foldable frame, similar to the Flip. That would help cut down on the noise and make it even easier to toss in your backpack and go. Next up, the camera. This is a big one. The current Neo comes with a small half-inch sensor that shoots 4K at 30 FPS. Not terrible, but definitely not pro level. The Neo 2 is expected to come with a larger 1x1.3-inch sensor, which would allow for 4K shooting at up to 100 FPS. That means smoother footage and way better detail. On top of that, the field of view is expected to jump from 117 degrees to 155 degrees, so you'll capture even more of that stunning aerial landscape in each shot. And for the photography crowd, you're going to love this. 48-megapixel stills are likely coming to the Neo 2. That's a huge bump and makes it way more appealing for solo travelers or content creators who want great shots without carrying a big drone setup. Now let's talk about stabilization. The original Neo only has a single-axis gimbal, with the rest handled by EIS, or electronic image stabilization. It's okay, but not great for fast moves or tight spaces. With the Neo 2, we're hoping for better hardware stabilization and potentially more accurate object tracking, maybe even LiDAR or obstacle sensing sensors. That could be a game changer for flying in congested areas or getting smooth follow shots. Battery life is also getting a rumored bump. The Neo had fairly limited flight time, but the Neo 2 might hit 24 minutes of flight time, which is impressive for such a small drone. So, when's it coming? There's no official date just yet, but according to Jasper Ellens, we can expect it later this year. And if these upgrades are the real deal, the Neo 2 might just be the perfect compact drone for both casual flyers and pros who want a reliable, lightweight backup. What do you think? Could the Neo 2 outshine the Flip? Or are these just minor tweaks on a lackluster model? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.